Hello Internet, my name is Mark. I work here at Company 23 and I want to do a little product showcase for you today. So today we're going to be looking at part number 592, the EJ Corner Timing Belt Guide Kit. So when we open up the box, the first thing you're going to see is a thank you note signed by Mr. R. Matson, whoever that is, legend. The next thing you're going to see when you're unpackaging everything in here is a small tube of Loctite. You'll need that for your new included stainless steel hardware. The other thing in this package is a timing belt guide spacer tool. So you'll actually put this between the timing belt and the guides when you install everything to make sure you have the correct amount of gap between the parts. Now we'll get to the actual timing guides. They're packaged in here very neatly. And here we'll see the actual timing guides. So these are machined out of a 6061 T6 billet aluminum, finished in a nice dark gray anodizing, and then laser engraved with our design work on there. So some features and benefits of these parts: they are much more robust than the factory flimsy steel ones. They also provide a much smoother surface towards the belt. And what that does is if you have a violent stall or violent event, missed shift, over rev, things like that, if the belt actually contacts the guide, that's a much smoother surface, so it'll damage the belt much less. It also is a much wider guide, which provides more coverage over the belt as to not jump time. These are available on our website, www.company23.com, part number 592. If you have any tech questions, inquiries, concerns, anything like that, please shoot us an email, c23@company23.com, or shoot us a DM on Facebook, Instagram. We get back to everybody. Bye.